Are you struggling to choose a budget planner? Should you get a monthly planner, a weekly planner, an envelope system, digital or paper? I get this question all the time. Here's the naked truth. The best budget planner is the one you'll actually use. However, there are different planners for different budgeting styles, and today I'm breaking down exactly which one is right for you. I am Flo Kapoor, and welcome to Finance and Glow. I have tested dozens of budget planners over the years, and I'm sharing my top 5 favorites, all of which I linked in the description below. Let's find your perfect planner. Planner Type 1, Comprehensive. Let's start with the Comprehensive Planner. This planner is perfect for people who want to track everything. My favorite brand in this category is the Clever Fox Budget Planner. This planner is gorgeous, functional, and covers everything from monthly budgets, weekly expense tracking, savings goals, debt payoff trackers, and even financial goal setting. Each month has its own section with income tracking, fixed and variable expenses, savings goals, debt payoff progress, and weekly spending breakdown. It's undated, so you can start anytime. It's thick and has about 200 pages, so you're getting a full year of planning. Who is this for? This is for you if you're detail-oriented, you like structure, you want to track every dollar, you enjoy the process of planning. And you're probably using the zero-based budget method. This is priced at about $25 to $30 on Amazon. You will find the link in the description. This is my personal favorite. I've used it for 2 years straight. Planner Type 2, the Simplified Planner. This one is for people who want a budget without the overwhelm. My recommendation, the Boxclever Press Budget Book. This is perfect for you if you think traditional budget planners feel like homework. It's compact, straightforward, and focuses on the essentials such as monthly income, monthly expenses, simplified categories, savings tracker, bill payment checklist. It's smaller, it fits in a purse or backpack, and is not intimidating. Each month is just 4 pages. Simple, clean, effective. Who is this for? This is for you if you're new to budgeting. You've tried complicated systems and given up. You want something easy that you'll actually stick with. You're probably using the 50-30-20 method. It's priced at about $59 to $18 on Amazon. This is the planner I recommend to beginners. It removes the friction and makes budgeting feel manageable. The link is also in the description. Planner Type 3, the cash envelope system. This is for my ladies who need physical accountability. This is not your traditional planner. It's a binder with cash envelopes for different budget categories such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, personal spending, etc. In this system, you allocate cash to each envelope at the beginning of the month. When the envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category. You will find this simplified cash envelope system on Amazon. It comes with labeled envelopes, a budget worksheet, and a tracking system. Who is this for? This is for you if you are someone who typically overspends on your debit card. Swiping plastic doesn't feel real to you. You need to physically see the money leaving your hands. You're a visual, tactile learner. The price tag on this is about $15 to $25 depending on the set. Fair warning, this method requires you to use cash, which means ATM trips and carrying cash. It's not for everyone, but if you struggle with overspending, this system is life-changing. Link is also in the description. Planner Type 4, the Debt Payoff Planner. This one is for my ladies who are laser-focused on getting out of debt. These planners are dedicated to one goal and one goal only, and that is tracking your debt payoff journey from start to finish. My favorite is the Clever Fox Debt Payoff Planner. Yes, same brand as the budget planner because they make quality products. It includes debt inventory, list all your debts, payoff strategy worksheet, snowball versus avalanche, monthly payment tracking, milestone celebrations, progress thermometers. It's motivating. Every payment you make, you color in the progress bars. You watch your debt shrink visually before your eyes. That's powerful. Who is this for? This for you. If you have multiple debts and you need a system to stay motivated, you're using the debt snowball or avalanche method. You want to see your progress and celebrate your wins. Price tag is about $12 to $18 on Amazon. I used a planner like this to pay off over $45,000 in debt. Having that visual progress kept me going when I wanted to give up. Link in the description. Planner Type 5. The Goal Focus Planner. This is for my boss ladies who are building wealth intentionally. These planners go beyond monthly budgeting. They help you plan years ahead. Buying a house, starting a business, retiring early, building $1 million net worth. I recommend the Financial Freedom Planner or the Wealth Builders. This planner includes long-term goal setting, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, net worth tracking, investment goal planning, savings milestones, vision board sections. It's big picture planning combined with monthly action steps. Who is this for? You're past the beginner stage. You're debt-free or close to it. You're ready to build serious wealth. You think in years, not months. Priced at around $20 to $35 depending on features. It is worth every penny. This is the level I'm at now. I use this type of planner to track my path from $1 million to $5 million net worth. Link in the description. So how do you choose? Ask yourself these 3 questions. Question 1, what's your budgeting style? Detail lover? I recommend comprehensive planner. Keep it simple. Then the simplified planner suits you. Question 2, what's your biggest money challenge? Overspending? I recommend the cash envelope system. Debt payoff? Choose the debt planner. Building wealth? Choose the goal-focused planner. Final question 3, will you actually use this? Be honest. If thick planners intimidate you, get a simple one. If you lose motivation easily, get a visual progress tracker. The best planner is the one that matches your personality and your goals. All 5 planners I mentioned are linked in the description below. They're all under $35 and they're all Amazon affiliate links, meaning if you purchase through them, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one planner from this list, order it this week, and use it for 30 days. Just 30 days. Track your spending, plan your budget, and see what happens. I promise you, having a physical planner changes the game. There's something about writing your goals down and tracking your progress that makes them feel real. Which planner are you choosing? Drop a comment and let me know. All 5 planners are linked in the description. If you found this information valuable, please hit subscribe button and share with a friend or colleague you know may benefit as well. I'm sharing budget tips, investing strategies, and wealth building content every week. Thanks for watching. I'm Flo Kapoor and I'll see you in the next one. Keep glowing.